Are you confused about Realdebrid and VPNs? You're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the differences between these two popular tools. Both Realdebrid and VPNs help you enjoy streaming content, but they do it in different ways. Realdebrid boosts your streaming experience by providing access to high quality links. On the other hand, a VPN protects your online privacy and helps you bypass geo restrictions. Let's take a closer look at Realdebrid first. This service improves your streaming by giving you access to premium links. It works with many streaming apps, making your content load faster and in better quality. If you often find yourself frustrated with slow streams, Realdebrid can be a game changer. Now, let's talk about VPNs. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection. This means your online activities are hidden from prying eyes. It also allows you to access content that may be blocked in your region. If privacy and security are your top concerns, a VPN is a solid choice. So, what are the key differences? Realdebit focuses on improving streaming quality, while a VPN is all about privacy and access. They serve different purposes, but both can enhance your online experience. When it comes to features, Realdebit is all about fast streaming and better links. A VPN offers strong encryption, location masking, and sometimes even ad blocking features. Depending on your needs, one may be more useful than the other. In terms of pricing, Realdebit usually has a subscription model, while VPNs can vary widely. Some offer monthly plans, while others have yearly subscriptions. In the end, if you want better streaming quality, go for Realdebit. If you need privacy and access to restricted content, choose a VPN. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.